Weather now with Jenny Woodward. And Jenny, you have new graphics too.
I do, Jess, and they're very fine, just like the weather. Hello everyone. Mainly clear skies today, apart from some very light showers about the southeast corner and also up on the north tropical coast. It was chilly this morning, one the lowest in Tambo and Oakey, and there could have been some light frost about. Only 2 degrees in Roma, and even Mount Isa dropped to 4. But a different story this afternoon, 32 the top there, and also in Longreach, the hottest 37 at Palmerville. Well, in spite of the cloud cover, we still reached 24 to 25 across the city, but just 23 this afternoon in Redland and 22 for Redcliffe. On the Sunshine Coast, a top of 22. On to photos, and John had a gorgeous sunset at Hamilton Island last night. The clouds were imitating train tracks out at Boulia today. Thanks, Robin. And at Palm Cove, Keith tells me that a couple of times of the year, when the tide's just right, you can walk out towards Double Island. Looks amazing. And another fab whale photo, this time from Russell on the Gold Coast. Well, not much cloud to see on the satellite except for this very well-formed low-pressure system moving through the Bight. Very wet in Adelaide right now. Some storms in there too and strong winds, and we've got a bit of a streak of high cloud in the southwest corner. Now that's developed ahead of the trough line, which is pushing up the temperatures in those very warm northwesterly winds. So the figures will be 5 to 12 degrees above average in the west later in the week. In the meantime, we'll see some showers developing in the onshore winds, wrapping around the Tasman High, but they will ease as it pulls away from the coast in the coming days. And tomorrow, a foggy start in the Wide Bay Burnett area, which will extend along much of the east coast Wednesday and Thursday. So let's look interstate. Adelaide can expect showers and a storm again tomorrow. Melbourne and Hobart will be wet too. There'll be some early fog and a late shower for Canberra, but mostly sunny for Sydney with a top of 22. To forecasts, and there'll be a few showers about the tropical coast north of Cardwell. We could see 15 to 30 millimetres on the Cassowary coast, sunny or mostly so over the inland and out to the west, 35 in Mount Isa. Sunny skies over the southern and central interior too, with northwest-northeasterly winds in the south. They're going to gust up to 45 kilometres an hour, so there might be a little bit of raised dust out there. Some cloud about the southeast coast with a few showers possible, 22 to 23 degrees. We're looking at 25 in Bundaberg, and we might also see a shower on the Granite Belt tomorrow. For Brisbane, partly cloudy, a medium chance of showers through the day, but only a millimetre or two, and a top of 23 degrees. On the bay, east-southeasterly winds very early, tending east-northeasterly and easing during the morning. And then we've got very light showers lingering and some fog areas on Thursday. Those temperatures don't show any sign of cooling off. So, Jess, is winter over? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
It's starting to look like it. Thanks, Jenny. That's ABC News to the moment. Thank you for your company tonight. Time for 7:30. Good night.
Good night.